Hey YouTube, welcome to the Subprime to Prime YouTube channel. Here, our focus is to get you from subprime to prime, and that all starts with knowing where we want to go on our financial journey. This is for information and educational purposes only and not intended to be legal or financial advice. Please like and subscribe for more content. Alright, let's get it. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about ways to take advantage of extra revenue streams to add to your bottom line. So when we're talking about things you can do to add more finances to your current budget and make debt payoff faster, savings and investing more robust, this is what I'm talking about. Right now we're entering, or we have been entering, like kind of like this third industrial revolution of sorts, where content creation and making money online are the new things to do to earn income. Some people are able to replace their W-2 jobs with doing content or podcasts and things like that. So if you've never thought about doing something like that, this is a perfect opportunity for you to kind of dip your toes in the water to really figure out what you might want to do. So, on my journey, I took the long route, to get to where I am now currently, and I'm sitting here telling you about different things you can do to leverage the power of the internet and internet sales and marketing to do something that will help increase your financial, prowess. You could very well be the next YouTuber that skyrockets. Who knows? But it is a means to an end for some people. And some people, it's just like kind of a beginning. This is them opening up and coming into their own and figuring things out. And if you are kind of detached and you're from different social medias, or if you're a social media butterfly, which I am not, but if you are, this might be the route that could change everything for you financially. So, as I sit here in my little tiny office space here, I am like super excited for your journey, and I hope that you're able to really take it to heart that you can do more than what your W-2 supervisor tells you can do. You're so much more capable of so many more things than you give yourself credit for, and I applaud you for that. And I hope you really take that to heart. If you are trying to figure out what to do to make more money to advance this whole thing altogether, there are several ways you can do it. Once you develop who you want to be, what brand you're creating, and those types of things, if you are already in an industry where YouTube can like kind of propel you, like let's say you're a real estate agent, I mean, that's kind of an awesome way to gain traction and gain leads, is to become a YouTuber, showcasing your skills, showcasing some listings that you have, or hooking up it with different builders or buyers or whatnot, in that realm. And that's just an example, but there's probably a way or two that you can gain traction and then ultimately gain leads that'll help you sell more houses, if that's your thing. Or maybe you have musical talent, or maybe you can code. The sky's the limit. But in any event, if you can teach those things to somebody else, that could provide value for them, and in turn garner more attraction to it. And if you make enough waves and people pay attention, you can definitely make a decent living out of it. Also, you have the opportunity to sell other people's products and services, kind of on a case by case with regards to affiliate marketing and selling, digital products and such. So there are quite a few ways that you can make money on the internet to kind of bolster your finances so that you can get out of debt faster, have extra side money to invest more, which is super important in this day and age. You got to stack away as much as you can and invest in things that'll bring you money over time. And in some cases, if you invest right, you'll get some infinite returns. And maybe you want to invest in real estate. That's always a smart move to do. I personally really, really, really like real estate. I have my small portfolio started, and since doing it, it has prospered myself and my family immensely. And then we're just trying to always be on the lookout for opportunities that could help somebody do something that they never thought they could do before. And that's kind of what YouTube can bring to your life. And there's other platforms that you can make money with as well, TikTok and Instagram and things like that. But you gotta dig in, do the research, and do the work. But if you do that, that's one way you can, or a multitude of ways you can bring in more income to better bolster your financial situation. And speaking of financial situation, when you have abilities and gifts and talents that you haven't used in a while, and people have always complimented you on them, or you've taken action to host gatherings where people can see you do your thing, those are like indicators that, hey, that might be something that I can use to further advance my situation. So just be thinking about that. Be mindful of hidden talents that you have that can definitely change the trajectory of your financial journey. And once upon a time, when I had like extremely horrible credit, and I had no idea what I would do to get extra money on the side, I actually started a small like lawn and landscape type of deal. And trust me, it didn't last that long, but it was in my younger years when I could do that type of thing. And I always liked physical work at first, and then I moved gradually into like things like office things, like insurance, sales, and things like that. But eventually, becoming an entrepreneur, I got the bug, and that's where things went a little differently for me. So when you're on your financial journey and you're thinking of talents and things you can do to kind of get an extra couple bucks in to help you out along the way, there's nothing like starting online. I know there's a lot of stuff you have to sift through to get to where you want to go, but it's worth the look. And for all things financial, check out our VIP Platform One school, Subprime to Prime, and please like and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you.